to show you how to play She Loves You by the Beatles. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. The introduction is the She Loves You, so it's just D, E, G, G, F sharp, E, again D, E, G, G, F sharp, E, D, E, G, G, F sharp, E, and B, D, E right there, or you can add a G, however you want to sound right. So in the bass you're just going to have E minor, then to an A chord, we'll just play the A and the E, then to a C chord, C and the G, open fifths, and we end with a G and D. So if you put it together, I'll go slowly so you can see it. G on top of there, but you can get by without that G. And then there's a little guitar riff that I'm going to fill with. So I'm going to play it A, B flat. I put a little pickup to that B flat. It's just B flat, G, B flat, D, C, B flat, G. And then we're into the melody. So I play it with a little bit of a crush right there. Now the main melody right there is F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, D, E, F sharp, D, D, B, D, F sharp, D, again, da, 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 da. Then we go D, 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 E, G, down an octave to G, A, B, B, A, G, E, up an octave to G, F sharp, E, B, B, C, 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 E flat, and we got a C minor. Where we get the C minor out of the E flat, C, C, E flat, G, G, F sharp, and then that same crush. Can't duplicate that guitar sound, but that's as close as I can get on that. And then we're into the second verse. Now the second verse is the same with just a couple of little rhythmic changes on the thing, but if you do use drums on it, all you got to do is set it at 150 beats per minute, and then you can choose the drums. I don't really have a drum sound on here that matches what Ringo did in the recording, but 150 beats and it'll sound like... So I'll take the drums off for now. And then we go through the second verse is the same, and then you got the chorus. The chorus is the same as before. And then it goes into a post-chorus before the third verse, a post-chorus bridge that's just like the introduction. Except they changed to with a love like that. So you got B, B, C, 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 D, D, C, 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 B, and then the same riff. Now you've got C and G in the bass, and D and A. So we got the E minor, the A, down to the C, to the D, got the third verse. So you hear it changes, there's no pickup. And see, the third verse you've just got, instead, you don't have that extra D in there. It's just painting the words. This D and this B after the second verse and after the third verse. So there's that little ooh right there, right after the chorus, because they don't put the, instead of the guitar riff, they put that little. Same thing right here before you go into that post-chorus. And then we're into the post-chorus tag. All they do is repeat that. And then the third time, you have to cut those drums off right there because there's a slowdown. So if you are using drum machine, you just cut it off. I have it. With a love like that, then cut off and then go on. Then you just go G, E, C, and then hold the last chord. Now the last chord is just a G with an added 6. So we're just adding that 6 right there. There you have it. She Loves You by the Beatles, key of G, original key. Hope you enjoy playing it.